Hey folks, I'm so excited to do this video. This is the first video that I'm posting on my channel and I hope you like it. Well, I'm officially a new annual member of FabFitFun. This membership was a gift from my husband who is not great in gift giving, and he said, hey, this way you get products you actually want in different seasons and it's a fun surprise for you every time. And honestly, I couldn't be more happier, and this was one of his best ideas. For those who don't know, FabFitFun is an online shop for getting high quality products at a reduced price. It has both seasonal and annual subscriptions. Cost of annual membership is $259.96 per year, which breaks down to $64.99 per box, and seasonal membership is $79.99 per box, which is billed quarterly. Annual members get early access to customization and add-ons compared to seasonal members. If you're thinking of signing up, use the link in the description and you'll get $20 off your annual subscription. Enough of talking, let's open this fall box. This box has 7 customizations along with 2 luxe options. For the first customization, there are 10 products to choose from, plus a luxe item. And for this option, I decided to go with the WEWOREWHAT Oversized Crewneck, which comes in different sizes. I chose the small size. This is worth $68. And if you look at it, this is incredibly soft and comfy, and I love this color. For the second customization, we've got 13 options to choose. And I went with 8 other reasons vegan leather slouchy bucket pack, which is worth $149. If you look at it, it's got a vegan leather exterior and vegan sweet lining, giving it an elevated but soft touch. This bag comes with dual straps, an open top, and a roomy main compartment for all your essentials. I especially love how I can hang my sunglasses on the outer strings. This makes life so much easier. Plus, it fits all of my daily items without feeling bulky. I also added a jewelry set for an extra $17 in this customization. I couldn't resist the Edina Eden Emerald earring and necklace combo set. It's worth $110 value, and I'm in love with this color. And here's how it looks. For customization 3, there are 9 options to choose from. And as usual, I went with another jewelry option. I chose the Electric Pigs Camilla necklace in gold, and it's worth $68. I'm obsessed with the clover shaped pendant, and its length is adjustable so you can wear it at whatever length you prefer. Here's how this looks. Isn't this elegant? For customization 4, there are 8 options to choose from, and I went with 8 other reasons jewelry travel bag. It is valued at $49.95. Since I've got quite a collection of jewelry, this is going to be perfect for my travel trips. Here you can place your finger rings, and in these zips you can fit your earrings, and here some of your studs. And if you flip, here you can place your necklaces. Let me try placing the necklaces. And if you look at it, this is a great way to hang these necklaces without getting them tangled. For the 5th customization, there are 7 options to choose from, and I went with Volition Chocolate Macadamia Hydrating Mask, which is worth $48. I've read great reviews about this product and I can't wait to use it. I'll post my experience in another video shortly. For the 6th customization, there are 8 options plus a luxe item. I chose the Steve Madden Mystic sunglasses, which are worth $48. I've been eyeing this type of shades for quite a while now, and it's everything I've wanted. These sunglasses are bold, chic, and perfect for fall vibes. For the 7th customization, there are 5 options to choose. I picked the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion, which is valued at $28. I'm a huge fan of Rare Beauty products, especially their blushes, so I had to give this a try. The fragrance is absolutely amazing and I can't wait to start using it regularly. So that's everything in my fall 2025 box. This box is worth $458, excluding the $17 that I spent on the necklace combo set. And the cool thing is I got this for $64.99. Isn't this a great deal? Let me know in the comment section which product you loved most. And again, if you're interested in joining FabFitFun, check out the link in the description and you'll get $20 off your annual subscription. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in. See you in the next video. Peace and blessings.